Hello everyone, welcome back to my review channel. So today we are reviewing the Pandigital Photolink One Touch Scanner. So what this does is it scans your photos or really anything of the same size, and then it scans it to an SD card for digital. So it's pretty cool. It's a good way to get your stuff digitalized if you're tired of having, just pictures everywhere and you want it digital. So this is the whole kit and everything in here. You can find this, well, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this. So this one is quite small. I think it could go up to 4x6 photos. Oh wow, there's a bunch of memory cards in here. Huh. Good. Alright, so we got that. We're going to go ahead and use a memory card that was supplied. So we stick the memory card in. I'm going to press and hold this and turn it off. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, turn it on, and let's get some photos here and see what we can do. See what size we can do. So I think we could fit all of these. So let's go ahead and try it. So, okay. Let's go ahead and disconnect. We don't need it connected to the computer. So it's green. I'm not sure if that means it'll work. So let's start it again, because we had this plugged into the computer. Alright, now let's go ahead and see. Alright, so that's number one. Number two. Photo so you can see. There we go. Look at that. All digital. Quality wise, not as good quality since it's blown up, but we can edit our photos, in our photo program, and yeah. So I'm giving this 8 out of 10. Very cool. Super awesome.
Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.